I do? Do I just let it all go in the sink?
We'll clean it up.
Go, there, go.
Just
3.
don't spit it on me.
I can't. I'm scared now.
Plug your nose and do it. That way you can't taste it.
Don't listen to her.
You almost dropped it.
Smell it.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Just do it.
Where's my ramen?
Okay, how about you go first? Oh my god.
Just do it.
I'm scared. I can't do it.
It's okay if it comes out your nose. Just go.
Okay.
3, 2. I have to do it after you, so you might as well do it. 3, 2, 1.
It's in my eyes. That was gross.
Oh my god.
Is it?
Oh my god.
Smile.
It's stop. Oh my god.
Look at my eyes.
Oh, God,
Oh, that
my
tastes so
sink.
gross.
John, you're getting 2 teaspoons.
No!
Sophia.
No.
It's in my mouth.
Diva, hush.
I knew I was in the danger zone.
You like a puff.
Your teeth are brown.
It tastes. Oh my god.
I'm scared to do it.
Spit it on my face.
Okay, so you did it.
Oh, I did it and I died.